Ever pondered how some folks become millionaires before they hit the big three? Zero? It starts with a mindset, a millionaire mindset. This isn't about wishing upon a star or playing the lottery. It's about cultivating a strong work ethic, acquiring financial education, and being willing to take calculated risks. You see, to become a millionaire, you need to think like one. It's not about being born with a silver spoon in your mouth or even about luck. It's about understanding the dynamics of money, how it works, how it grows. It's about being willing to roll up your sleeves and put in the hard work. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and taking risks, because fortune, as they say, favors the bold. Becoming a millionaire is a journey, and like all journeys, it starts with a single step. That step is changing your mindset. Remember, the journey towards becoming a millionaire starts in the mind. Ever wondered which road leads to the land of the millionaires? It's paved with financial education and smart investments. You see, understanding the basics of finance isn't just about knowing how to balance a checkbook. It's about learning how to grow your wealth. Now let's talk about investments. Think of them as vehicles driving you towards millionaire status. Stocks, for instance, can provide you with a share in a company's profits, while real estate investments can generate rental income. Starting your own business? That's another fantastic way to build wealth. But here's the catch. These investments don't just create money out of thin air, they generate what we call passive income over time. That's money that keeps rolling in even when you're not actively working. So keep this in mind. It's not just about earning big bucks, it's about making your money work for you. Invest wisely and remember, it ain't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. Ever thought about the power of networking and personal branding? It's like having a key to doors you didn't even know existed. Networking is about creating meaningful relationships. It's about who you know and who knows you. Now, personal branding? That's your reputation, your unique value proposition. It's what you're known for and how people perceive you. These two combined can open opportunities, increase your income, and put you on the fast track to becoming a millionaire. Remember, your network is your net worth. Ever considered the power of consistent savings? Picture this. Regularly setting aside a portion of your income can snowball into a sizable sum over time. It's not just about earning more, it's about retaining more. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Now, how about subscribing to our channel for more financial wisdom? You'll gain insights, strategies, and tips to help you reach that million-dollar milestone. Don't miss out on this wealth of knowledge. Here's a bonus tip for y'all. Always remember, time is money. Start early and make your money work for you.